Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. This video explains how to change user personal information. User with the administrator role can edit personal information of any user within the system. Hover over the Users tab in the main menu and select User Profiles. Here, you can see the list of all users in the system. Find the user whose personal information you want to modify and click the username to open the user's profile. From the sidebar menu, navigate to the Personal Information tab. Change or enter proper data and click the Save button to confirm the changes. Note that administrators may change users' account information, modify password settings, and add attachments to their accounts as well. To permit any other role, such as instructor, question pool manager, or proctor, to modify user personal information, you should assign a permission number 14 in the Roles and Permissions module. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.